Merlin Swap Airdrop is confirmed. We have breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. This is coming out from the official Twitter account for Merlin Swap. Guys, you need to know how to get yours. There's a BRC20 token with ticker VOYA that's going to be airdropped to early supporters of the Merlin Swap exchange. And we're not talking about 5% of the supply. We're not talking about 10% of the supply. We're not talking about 20%. We're talking about 100% is going towards this particular airdrop on Merlin Swap, the first one to go on Merlin Swap, all that kind of stuff, guys. So stay tuned. We're going to go through the procedure on how you can get yours. Hoo-hoo, you go cuckoo. Hoo-hoo, what about you? Bro, this is awesome. Freaking hell. Bro, these guys know what they're doing. Hip hip hooray!
Francis Dhun, Uncensored.
Welcome back to another video here at Francis Dhun Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers today. This is also called the Smart Money channel, guys. Make sure you do subscribe, smash the like button, and absolutely destroy the bell notification button as well, because content like this truly is time sensitive, guys. And this video here is no different. Let's get right to it. So, guys, this one is pretty damn crazy because 100% of the entire supply is being allocated for this particular airdrop. We normally see 5%, or 20% at best. Over here, it's 100%. So this one's going to give you a lot more tokens. So do pay attention. And this is a legit one. Enough of those honeypots you guys be getting into and getting fucking wrecked on Merlin Swap. I hear all these horror stories of you guys losing your money. This one here is coming from the actual team. And that's why I only speak about hoo-hoo. So let's carry on. We are excited to announce the first BRC20 VOYA, VOYA Fair launch event on Merlin Chain. VOYA, the first fair launch of BRC20 token on Merlin Chain, which encourages the adventurers to join the grand voyage and navigate the unexplored expanses of the Merlin eco together. VOYA bridging BRC20 to Merlin with 10 million tokens, all for our Merlin dedicated supporters, guys. 100% of the supply is coming here. Eligible supporters will have the opportunity to claim their VOYA tokens directly on the Merlin Swap official website, and we'll go to that shortly. And this article breaks it down in finer detail, guys. If you're not a follower of the Merlin Swap Twitter, I highly recommend you do that. So, what are the actual requirements? And this is fresh off the press 27 minutes ago. We are excited to present the VOYA Airdrop event, a landmark occasion signifying the introduction of the fair launch BRC20 token on the Merlin chain. I will leave this document linked in the comment section in the form of a pinned message. Don't worry. The event is a call to bold explorers ready to navigate the unexplored expanses of the Merlin chain together. VOYA emerges as a pivotal connection from the BRC20 to Merlin chain, allocating a total of 10 million VOYA tokens exclusively to our pioneering supporters on the Merlin chain. And when I come over to Unisat and I put in VOYA, there's 10 million supply, guys. So that's the entire freaking supply. Let's carry on. Now, this is the important part. How do you actually go about getting these tokens, right? This is what you need to pay attention to. And I'm pretty sure most of you, if you've been following the channel, we were the first to cover hoo-hoo on YouTube. You should already be set up to and eligible to get this. So let's see here. So participants must fulfill one of the criteria below at the snapshot moment to be eligible. Number 1, assets staked in Merlin Seal valued at or above 0.01 BTC. Again, if you've been following the channel, we covered on how to do this. And right here, I have 1 Bitcoin bridged over. So, all you need is 0.01. Again, I'll leave a link to that video so you will know how to actually, complete that process, okay? So that's 1 right there. Number 2, BTC assets in the on-chain wallet on the Merlin chain totaling 0.01 BTC or more. So basically, I use 2 wallets, but I mainly use the MetaMask one. And right here, this is, as you can see, it's labeled Merlin Swap, and this is the Merlin chain as well. Okay, I've done a video on this as well, and I have right now currently 0.1187 BTC in my wallet. All they're saying is you need to have 0.01 BTC or more. So there you go. So I'm already qualified on those 2 points. And the last point here, hoo-hoo assets in an on-chain wallet on the Merlin chain mounting to 140k hoo-hoo or more. Guys, this is awesome. So, shit, where am I? I got hoo-hoo here, right? I got about, what was that, 3 million or some shit? Yeah, about just over 3 million there. So all you need is 140k hoo-hoo. And what does that tell me? I mean, I think Who now has another reason to give us another little mini pump here. So you could probably expect a pump on Hoo. And what is the price of Hoo right now? Hoo's price is I'm going cuckoo for Hoo. What about you? Oh shit. So bro, so Hoo, listen, it's up 28%. I think this announcement is going to make that price surpass the 0.005 mark at some point very soon, within 24 hours or less. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. So we got that going for us over there. Let's carry back on to the document. Bro, I really get legitimately excited for Hoo. It's just crazy. Never thought a meme coin would make me fucking smiling this much, but it is. It is what it is. A snapshot to assess eligibility will be taken at 11 a.m. UTC +8 on February 21st. Okay, guys. So what's the date today? The 19th. That's in about 2 days. So how to claim? Qualified users can check their wallet's eligibility via official link, Merlin Swap, right here. And this is starting at 4 p.m. Okay, so let's carry on over back to where is it? What am I doing? Merlin Swap pools. There's an airdrop button right here, guys. So this is the area they are talking about. So very, very bullish right now on everything Merlin chain, on everything Merlin Swap, on everything Hoo, and this fucking entire ecosystem, to tell you the damn truth. Okay, let's go down here. So attention, please hold enough gas in your wallet to settle the claim TX transaction. Stay alert to scams. Always refer to our official communications. The claim period for the VOYA airdrop is from 4 p.m. February 21st to 11 a.m. February 23rd. So they're giving you 2 entire days to claim this, bro. You don't want to miss out on this one. Oh, bro, check this out. Unclaimed VOYA tokens will contribute to the incentives for the VOYA BTC liquidity mining program. Awesome. VOYA token listing. We will launch a VOYA BTC trading pool on Merlin Swap within the Merlin chain at 4 p.m. UTC time on February 21st. Bro, this is awesome. Freaking hell. Bro, these guys know what they're doing, okay? Take a VOYA. Here is a contract address, guys. So, again, I'll leave this for you in the form of a comment message, and they go on to talk about what Merlin Swap is, which you should already know by now because you're following the Smart Money channel. You are on the right team if you're subscribed over here, guys. Very, very exciting, very bullish. You got the information. Again, all you need to do is just have a little bit of MBTC, or Merlin Bitcoin, let's call it, on the Merlin chain, right, in your wallet, 0.01. All you need to have is about 140,000. Hoo-hoo, you go cuckoo. Hoo-hoo, what about you? Sorry. In your wallet. And another one is hip hip hooray. Right? And then also what you need to do is, what was the other one? Yeah, Merlin Seal, 0.01 BTC. And I think all of you guys, for the most part, already have that. So you know what? There really much left to see other than, until the next video, your ass is on your own, bro. Later.
Francis Dhun, Uncensored.